So if you're looking at different type of scent na talagang pang diinan, pang balagbagang, pang malakasan sa arawan na gamitan, ito yung Extreme ng Sapphire Fragrances. This one is might be different doon sa mga perfume existing na lagi ka mag-aamoy gwapo, magiging gwapo ka, mag-aamoy ganito ka, amoy rich kid ka, simpleng mayaman. Hindi ganun yung atake nito because this one is very manly and sexy, yung type nung datingan ng Extreme ng Sapphire Fragrances. And this one, it has the citrus, powdery, at talagang woody ay nandito sa Extreme ng Sapphire Fragrances. This one is inspired sa Bulgari Extremes, no? It's many times na full wear ko to and I enjoy it, no? Talagang you will be confident at time by time na talagang gamit mo to since talagang hindi mo kailangan mag-reapply, no? Every 5 hours yung pagre-reapply ko nito since ang tagal niyang mawala dito sa skin or sa cloth natin, no? So this one is the Sapphire Fragrances Extreme. Talagang napakaswabe. You will be definitely be confident talaga sa bawat oras na suot-suot mo etong si Extreme ng Sapphire Fragrances dahil hindi ka niya papaya or hindi ka mangangamba kung okay pa ba yung amoy mo o may amoy ka pa ba o meron pa ba o wala na. But this one talagang makapit kung sa makapit etong si Extreme ng Sapphire Fragrances.